would like to appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for liking, subscribing, sharing and commenting on all our videos. We wouldn't have been here without you. Keep watching Eagle Eye Angle. We are the best.
Hello, greetings to each and everyone out there. We are still in New Year season, so we want to use this opportunity to welcome you guys back to Eagle Eye Angle. And today's episode we are going to prepare rice ball with aponche krakra. In other words, we are going to prepare mutio with lice soup. So please guys, follow along whilst we do the cooking. I'll be back to introduce my ingredients, then we start cooking. Hello, welcome back. We are going to introduce our ingredients, then we start cooking. We have our goat meat here, which is aponche. Then we also have rice, which we are going to use for the rice balls. Then we have our salmon, and then our salted fish, which will be adding it to the meat to prepare our aponche krakra. Then we also have fresh tomatoes, then red pepper. That is what we are going to use for our aponche krakra. Then we have our turkey berry. We'll be adding it to the pepper and the fresh tomatoes as well. Then we also have our ginger, our garlic. We'll be adding it to steam our meat as ingredients. Then you know Eagle Eye Angle, we can never prepare our soup without our shrimp powder. So we have shrimp powder here, which will be adding it to the meat to steam as well. Then we have our onions nicely washed, which will be adding to our soup, and then we use this as steaming of meat too. Then we also have our turmeric powder, then some seasoning powder. Then we also have ojiaware powder. We'll be adding them to steam our meat to give us nice taste. Then we have salt lastly to give us nice. So please guys, just sit down, then you watch, then you follow the steps whilst we do the cooking. I know you guys will join me. Help me to cook. So if you are to prepare aponche krakra, you first of all wash your vegetables nicely, then you transfer it into your pot, then you add water to it. After that, you put it on fire to steam it. Then you blend it and use it for your aponche krakra. So at this moment, we are going to put the vegetables on fire to steam it. Then we continue with the rice. So we are done with the setting of the fire. So our vegetables are on fire now. So we'll leave it on for it to steam before we use it. So we are going to cover. Now our meat is nicely washed, so we've transferred it into our pot. Now we are going to add our ingredients to it, then we steam it. So first of all, add our seasoning powder like this, then ojiaware powder, then little turmeric powder to it, then our shrimp powder, our chopped onions, so we are on the process of cooking our panchikrakra soup. Then salt. So in all our blended ingredients to it. Now we are going to leave it on for it to steam. Then we add the rest of the ingredients to it to make our soup. We have to leave it on. Now the vegetables are ready. We have to take it off from the fire. Then we blend it. So now the water that we are going to use to cook mutio is now on fire. So I'm adding salt to it. We'll leave it on for it to boil before we add our rice to it for the mutio. Wow, our panchikrakra is on fire. So now we are going to add our blended vegetables to it. Hi, what is you? It's not yet ready, but the aroma will kill me here. It's on point. Let's wait a little, then it will be ready. lovely people, thank you for cooking with us. Now our food is ready. Our punchy cracker is ready, and then a mutuotu is ready. So please guys, you can join us for us to dish it out and then consume it together. I know you guys can never join us right now. As we are waiting for you guys, kindly use this opportunity to subscribe, like, then you share the videos for us, and don't forget to click on the notification bell. Whenever we post the video, you should be the first person to get a notification. Please subscribe, share, then you also do what? Like, then you also like the video for us. We love you guys. Wow, my soup is very nice, and then the aroma alone will kill me here. A punchy cracker is ready, so I'm dishing it out. Wow. Wow, the aroma alone is taking place. Please, I'll tell you guys, I'll urge you guys to cook this kind of food for your family members. It's very delicious, it's very nice, and it's easy to prepare at home. This soup is very easy, simple to cook. And stop that. Oh, come. Yeah. It's what? Wait. Where is it? Oh, it's further. It's okay. Squat.
Guys, this video eye angle. More time you guys for subscribe and share. Make sure that you guys will leave your comments under the comment section. You understand? And don't forget that you can even call us to join us, because I'm really enjoying this food. My sister, this one stay inside. Remember, stay inside. For carry your wife come here, can't learn how to cook, prepare this food, oh, my boy. Because stay inside. Jacob, I can't stop eating here. Shall you have a nice day?
Hello viewers, as you already know that we are always available to bring you people quality local dishes that are unpredictable to be seen, but over here it is common to see it. You can find this nowhere but rather villages. This is where you can find this kind of food, so don't go nowhere, watch out and watch through all the videos so that you can prepare the same at home. Thank you guys, bye bye.
Wow, our punchy cracker is very delicious. It's very sweet. It's very Oh, keep watching Eagle Eye Angle. We are the best. You know, Eagle Eye Angle always we bring local dishes and then local food. Everything is organic. So please keep watching Eagle Eye Angle. Subscribe, like, share the video for us. We love you guys. Eagle Eye Angle. Subscribe. Eagle Eye Angle. Subscribe.
Hi there. We would like to appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for liking, subscribing, sharing and commenting on all our videos. We wouldn't have been here without you. Keep watching Eagle Eye Angle. We are the best.